Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Facebook Messenger notifications not working. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Messenger notifications not working is super annoying as you don't know if you've gone and received a message or a call or a notification. So first of all, to go and fix it, close out of your Messenger app and go and open up your settings. And what we need to do is go to our Messenger notification settings. So scroll down until you can find apps, click on apps, and then scroll down until you find Messenger and click on it. And here you can then go and click on notifications. First of all, notifications will need to be allowed like this. And you can then go about customizing them. If these are all disabled, you may not be seeing them, so make sure they are enabled. And you can also go and choose these other settings here as well. They're going to be up to you. And the next thing you want to do is go and check your phone's Do Not Disturb mode settings, because this will be hiding not just Messenger, but other apps notifications potentially as well. So go and open up your control center by dragging down on the top right on your phone and swipe right until you see Do Not Disturb. And if this is turned on, then this is going to be muting and not showing you notifications as well. So make sure they're turned off, and that should go and fix your problem. So that's basically how you can fix Facebook Messenger notifications not working. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.